You're not skipping meals to deprive or punish yourself. You are skipping a meal because you're fasting. And, the thing is there's so many benefits to it. And I think that people are like, the biggest thing I hear is they're like, I'm going to be hungry. And they're like panicked, like, oh my gosh, if I'm hungry, like call 911, We just went out to lunch with Catherine Muldoon, who was Miss Virginia. And I have an interview of her, and she says, her exact words are, I love being hungry because I can literally feel the fat coming, like eating at my body. Here, this guy over here is like, oh my gosh, I'm hungry. What are we going to do? Call 911. And here over here, she's like, woohoo, I'm burning fat.
All right, well, Chantel, thank you so much for answering all these questions on intermittent fasting. And if they have more questions or want more information on intermittent fasting, where should they go?
So we have an intermittent fasting group. So check out our Waste Away intermittent fasting group. I think it's called Intermittent Fasting Community Group. You can look for that. So join our Facebook group. You can also go download the podcast. I have 2 podcasts. One's called Waste Away through intermittent fasting, and one is the Fasting Resets podcast. So both of those have great information. And then also go to the Fasting Reset Summit.com. And that's where we had 46 guests talk about everything you could possibly want to know. And it's all about fasting.